Hello, you are with Digital Communication Skills channel. I'm Nina Trankova and this is the second episode for Google Group settings. Today we are looking into labels. I have opened Google Groups.com. On my left panel there are the labels I adopted for OniBoard public Google Group. If you have previously used categories and tags in old Google Groups, these are now labels automatically in the new Google Groups. New Google Groups are the default groups, and even the administrators in Google Integrated Workplace cannot change to old groups. Unlike the Gmail labels, the labels in Google Groups are viewed by everyone in the Google Group. From Group Settings, check that labels have been enabled for the group. It is called the Shared Labels setting. Let's look into it. Shared Labels is enabled for the group. You can disable it. And let's see how the conversations get organized in better way. We have an announcement in OniBoard group about our movie premiere this Sunday. And as you see, I have added creators collaboration event that is a premiere, and the creators come from across the globe. So I have adopted this keyword international. When opening this conversation on the row above, click label and you can choose from the labels in the group, or you can create a new label. So everyone from the group can work with labels and have a consistency in our conversations. For example, for commitment, we are having a yearly event that is coming in December and going to add the labels for commitment here. If you go to Twitter, for example, these are the Twitter lists we keep on Twitter for OniBoard group. You see some of the welcome messages because it's not yet a feature in new Google Groups. We are doing it as the moderator, welcoming new members on board of our OniBoard public group. And here you can choose the premiere label for all our premiered events. These labels are always seen from all the members that are reading the conversations. So it's pretty good organized using the labels. To be sure how settings work from Google Settings, you can scroll down your left panel and click About. From the left panel, click About and you will see the privacy of OniBoard group. Anyone can see the group. Group members can view the members. Anyone on the web can view the conversations. Group members can post, and our public group is open for invited members only. So this is for today's tutorial. Be sure to have consistency in your group organization of conversations by adopting a narrow list of labels for your events. Always open the conversation and choose to add the label or add new label or remove the label. You can remove any of the tagged keywords here. Thank you for your attention. I'm very glad to be able to present the settings in groups. OniBoard group has been active since 2015, and I will be very glad to answer questions regarding group settings and groups implementation in other applications. So leave questions in the comments below, and please subscribe to my channel for the next tutorial. We are going to talk about transferring ownership for group events. Thank you for your attention.